Okay, hello everyone. Today we are at Laurentian Lake Conservation Area and it's a beautiful day, nice and sunny, perfect for fishing. This area has a lot of trails and a lot of places to fish, so that's what the plan is for today. We were here last year and it was a beautiful trail that we did, so that's why we decided to come back again because we knew it was a good place to fish, and Victoria's already casted her line and I'm about to cast one right now. So stay tuned and see what we catch. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that this Laurentian Lake Conservation Area is located right behind Laurentian University. So there's probably going to be a lot of families and students hiking at this area as well. Victoria just caught the first fish of today. It looks like a perch.
Oh no. Oh, is that your line?
Yeah, that's my line. Nice, it looks like a perch.
Hope this one doesn't die on us.
I hope there's more bigger fish than this.
Yeah. It went through the eye.
It's alive. Got the first fish. Good job.
Small fry though, but better than nothing.
Good. Saw another one already? Oh, this spot's hot, man.
Yeah, for a tiny one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's so spicy. Oh, I got him right in the lower lip. Leave, your turn. Really, we can catch a huge perch.
Yeah, let's go.
I mean, we've been catching perch.
Yeah, okay.
Until tomorrow.
So we're gonna go to a different spot. This spot has been good to us for little fish, well, little perches. Apparently there's two types of species of fish at this lake, perch and pike. So hopefully we catch a pike though. But okay, let's move locations. So we are on the hunt for another fishing spot, but we are doing a trail right now as well. So we got our fishing rods. This trail is kind of a bit rocky to start, kind of out of breath. Last year when we did this trail, we did the yellow trail, but didn't fully complete it because it has 2 loops, and that was just kind of too much for us for that day. So, but we remember a spot that's close to the water that we could probably fish on, so we're just trying to find that spot right now on this yellow trail. Wow, look at this lookout point. It's beautiful. Okay, I think we're approaching the spot that I was thinking of, that we saw last time that we were here, and this is it. Beautiful. Yeah, we'll try both spots, but this one looks really nice. Careful going down that. This looks a good spot, man. There's no nibbles, man. Maybe that first spot was the best spot. So you read on the website that there's only perch and pike here? Huh. Oh! I think I got a nib. Hope that wasn't the rock. Was it a nib or a seaweed? Dang it. The first place we actually fished at was over there, not too far. You can actually see it. Okay, let's go, baby. Okay, the spot was a little bit anticlimactic. We got no nibbles, no bites. So we are going to leave this conservation area and go to maybe a provincial park. We do have to head back to Toronto today, so it's about a 4-hour drive. So on the way, we're just going to stop by, see what we can do at different provincial parks and make the most out of our day. Well, the rest of the day. Back at the start of the trail. Yeah. Okay, this is the map of Grundy Lake. The park officer said that there's 3 places to go: Smoky Point, Red Maple, and this little beach area. Are all prime spots for fishing. So we'll probably go to Smoky Point first because we're right here to start. And then if Smoky Point's not good, we can go around if needed. But lake has northern pike, panfish, and crappie and bass. Yeah, should be good. Okay, we finally made it at Grundy Lake Provincial Park, and to be honest, it is bigger than I expected to be. It looks like it's a good area to fish, so we're going to cast our rods and see what we catch.
Oh, there's nibbles.
There's nibbles? Oh, come on, what the heck? That's a super small perch. You know? Dude.
My dropping reel.
What hook are you gonna put on?
I'm gonna try the one that guy made.
Oh wow, okay. That's cool.
We'll see.
That's a fancy hook, man. Okay, so this place was a dud. Barely any nibbles. No, well, Victoria caught one little tiny fish. So we're just gonna keep on walking up this trail and look for a different spot. Look at that, look at that. Friggin'.
Should we come back here one day?
Okay, this spot's not too much further than where we were. Wow, this looks really nice. Not much further than where we were. We were just over there. But, different spot to try. Okay, so spot number 2 was a dud. No nibbles, no nothing. Okay. There was little nibbles at the start, but the spot number 2 had no nibbles at all. So we are done with this lake. We are going to go find another lake that we can fish at, and hopefully we can catch something bigger than a sunfish or a small perch. Because we're tired of those small fishes. We want those gigantic big fish that gives you a fight when the bite comes. Hey baby, let's go. The smell of campfire.
Oh, that looks like a good spot over there.
Which one? That one? Okay.
The rocks are.
Let's go.
Or here. Here looks good.
Oh, this one looks good too. Yeah. Let's try this one. Oh. Holy crap, that's a big bird, man. Oh, geez, he's circling. There. That's an eagle. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Holy crap, look at this bird. It's gonna catch a fish.
Oh my gosh, we're so close.
Dude, I feel like I'm on National Geographic. Oh my gosh, dude. Holy crap, look at that bird. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Holy crap, that bird is huge. Yeah?
Like, America, like that's a bald eagle.
Wow.
I never actually like
Seen one?
this close.
Yeah, when it was circling to like, I thought it was gonna catch a fish out of the... Holy crap.
No, he's definitely going in for something.
Yeah, he's looking like he's gonna turn that. Oh, pretty! I lost it. Oh crap! Crap!
Whoa, I've never seen him so close.
It's so majestic, man.
Literally circling right in front of us.
Holy crap! Okay, so the second spot was also no good, no nibbles. But the good thing is about that spot was it was very peaceful. We saw that bald eagle, which was pretty crazy because we've never seen that before. And
The loons were really
yeah, the loons
like making their noises, and it was nice.
yeah really added to the peaceful calmness. There was no one here. It looks like the whole like this area of Grundy Lake is closed off. So it was just basically us at that spot, which is really nice.
That's not true. There's two.
Okay, we saw two older people, but other than that, all the campsites are closed off, so it's just us. But yeah, that's it for fishing for today. We have a 3-hour drive back home, so thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for our next adventure. Bye.
Bye.